Hey guys, how are my favorite mad lads doing on this green day? I was taken aback by some of the developments that took place today. My mind is going a million miles per hour just thinking about what some of the things we are going to discuss. First and foremost, we need to talk about the Fed. Today they signaled that it could soon start slowing its aggressive bond buying program. I want to go over this with you guys in more detail and give you my own thoughts about it. Then, we have the AMC CEO Adam Aron take to Twitter to say the magic word, Dogecoin. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a pipe dream, it's reality. AMC is the literally representation of the Infinity Gauntlet, making reality of whatever their investors want. I will go even further than this though, as you will see. We also have some Evergrande updates, as I promised to keep you guys informed on this on the daily, as well as some other smaller but very important factors and news that you need to know. As you can see, we have tons to talk about today, so before we begin, let me quickly disclose and state that I am not a financial analyst or advisor, and that all contents discussed in this video are provided as opinions. All efforts are placed to better understand the nature of the current market in anticipation of the greatest squeeze in financial history. Everything presented is evidence I collect, and all opinions are based on research, experience and knowledge on the matter. Shout out to all my Patreons and one-time donors, whose contributions continue to carry this channel forward. Thank you so much to all that have taken a moment and the burden of throwing some love my way. It means a great deal for the longevity of the channel. You guys are the absolute best. With all proprieties said, let's buckle up and dive right into the tendy news. I wanted to leave this for the end, but it is impossible for me to hold it. AMC CEO Adam Aron came out swinging today right out the gate, hinting on social media that AMC will be looking to add Dogecoin to the list of cryptocurrencies it will accept for online payments. Following a poll that had around 140,000 voters, over 80% of people voted in support of AMC adding Dogecoin. This integration is much bigger than people might imagine, and it's for the reasons that nobody is really speculating. Please strap yourselves and put your tinfoil hats on, because we are going to speculate. Adam Aron followed up with another tweet that shows Tesla CEO Elon Musk liking the Twitter poll he ran. This is incredible to see, because we know that Elon is essentially the biggest figure behind Dogecoin, and he was also known for rallying up behind meme stocks earlier this year. By liking this post, it means that the favored CEO is indeed in touch with meme stocks to a certain degree, and this influence can definitely help boost not only the meme stock price on exchanges, but could perhaps set up some type of company agreement in the future. Imagine if AMC starts offering charging stations for electric cars outside its theaters? This would be a tremendous catalyst for both companies that would help rally them with increased volume from both retail and institutional ownership. We have seen Adam Aron say they have begun talks with GameStop after its investors demanded some type of collaboration between the two giants. We know Adam Aron is listening very closely to what people demand. What if we start asking for charging stations outside of AMC theaters? If it is a profitable and viable way, this will definitely help boost up all meme stocks as well as Tesla, which, if you didn't know, is also a heavily shorted stock by Wall Street giants that want the company out of the game. Guys, we are speaking in speculation, but let's be real, this is a very possible scenario that could potentially happen. Do not sleep on this, as the benefits of such action will only amplify the incoming squeeze. I am so jacked right now. As the Fed reported that reverse repo operations for today resulted in over $1.283 trillion, setting a new high for the highest reverse repo operation in recorded history. AMC's dark pool transactions accounted for 66% of the total volume, while GameStop dark pool transactions accounted for 50% of the total volume today. According to Fidelity data, sell order flow for AMC was bigger than the buy order flow, with GameStop's buy order flow being bigger as the sell order flow. Now, let us finish up with a recap of today's performance. AMC traded bullishly today, gaining over 3% for the day. The stock had a rebound in the pre-market after yesterday's poor performance. Upon market opening, AMC had a fall back down to 37.80 before bouncing up above 40.50. It would retrace a bit, testing the VWAP and momentarily breaking its support before running back up. AMC closed at 40.08 above the VWAP. As for what I expect for tomorrow, it's a bit hard to say. I think it all depends on whether we break 40.60, which is the next resistance, or whether we break the support at 39.60. If we beat the resistance, we are likely to test 41.66 at some point. Keep in mind that we are nearing Friday, and that hedge funds are going to try to drop the price below $40 before markets close. GameStop traded bullishly today, gaining under 1%. The stock opened to a dip, taking it down below 186.50 before bouncing back up to 193.50. GameStop then retraced a bit underneath the VWAP before starting to climb up to retest 192.79. Shorters started hitting the stock, eventually having it close at 190.14, below the VWAP. As for what I expect for tomorrow, I think there is good reason to believe we might experience another dip. 186 remains the biggest support, with 182 and 179 also providing a good cushion. Resistance can be found at 193 and then at 199. If we go under 186, that will be a huge opportunity to buy some tendies for a discount. I want to thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Today's big question is, do you think it would be ethical to read someone's mind, or do you think that is the only true form of privacy? Comment section ought to be interesting with some controversial takes. Can't wait to go through them all. If you want to help this channel, I have provided links which will be in the description for donations or even a monthly pledge of whatever amount you want. These donations do go a long way in helping me be able to pump videos out. Remember to follow me on Twitter if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. And that is all I have for you today. I will see you guys tomorrow for a morning video as well as an afternoon video. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day and to the moon.